Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages. If you're using WhatsApp and you have deleted some WhatsApp messages and now you want to restore or recover, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to open WhatsApp, and here you have to make sure that you have a backup of your WhatsApp chat. So just go for three dots, then settings. In settings, just select chat and then select chat backup. You have to make sure that you have backup of your deleted chats also. If you're regularly keeping a backup of your chats, so you can easily recover or restore your deleted WhatsApp messages by uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. You just have to keep a long press on WhatsApp, then select delete or uninstall icon. And here, after uninstalling the app, you must have to reinstall the app and then re-log in your ID or WhatsApp ID, and after that, your all WhatsApp status will be restored by your WhatsApp backup. Here, the second way is that you have to keep on your WhatsApp and notification history. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to go for settings, and settings just look for notifications and sidebar or notifications icon. You have to select notifications and then look for notification history, and after that you just have to enable this setting. And if someone has sent you a message and then it deletes the message, your all deleted message will appear here. So that's how you can easily restore deleted WhatsApp messages. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.